In many cases, a relationship can be reunited if there is energetic compatibility. Both individuals must be aligned on an energetic level. In practical Kabbalah, the first step is a compatibility reading. This precise energetic analysis helps us see if two people are aligned. Compatibility is not about emotion or behavior, but a technical condition. We calculate it using the full name, date of birth, and the mother's name. These details reveal the person's energetic structure. If compatibility is present, the relationship has a strong internal structure. When such a relationship breaks, it is usually due to energetic disturbance. In these cases, the relationship can often be repaired. Practical Kabbalah uses specific structured methods for energetic repair. We select and adapt these methods based on an initial reading of the people involved. The goal is to correct disturbances and restore natural connection if compatibility allows. In Kabbalah, romantic relationship is the first layer of spiritual development. Union with a partner creates the first condition in which the ego begins to lose control, forming a new shared structure. When compatibility exists, restoring the relationship is recommended. The connection serves as a foundation for inner and spiritual development. If it can be repaired, it should be. When compatibility is lacking, reunion is often not possible. Limited spiritual correction may be applied depending on the case. We never begin without a compatibility reading to see if a spiritual process will succeed. We offer this reading for free, performed privately by our family's experts in practical Kabbalah. Contact us if you seek reunion. We will study your case and advise you on what is possible. When compatibility exists, relationship repair is often achievable through the correct Kabbalistic process, making the relationship more stable and aligned.